The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you. I sense a disturbance in the Force. You have found a hologram. Survival all remains to be discovered.
Hello. Let's set up your Luma Surround Wi-Fi system. In a few minutes, your home will be filled with fast, secure Wi-Fi you'll love. To get started, you'll need a smartphone, the network cable and power adapter that come in the box with your Luma, as well as your existing modem. Now download the Luma app from the App Store. Create your account, and then answer a few questions so Luma can start customizing your network. First, tell Luma how many Lumas you'd like to set up. Then tell Luma what kind of home you have, a single family, apartment or condo, or townhouse or other, and how many floors. This will help Luma create the perfect home network. Next, tell Luma where your modem is located. Plug Luma into your modem using the network cable and connect Luma to power. Now, restart your modem. Once you restart your modem, the light ring will spin blue as it's working to create your Wi-Fi network. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. A moment of zen, brought to you by your friends at Luma. The light ring will blink green to let you know your new surround Wi-Fi network has been created. From there, just follow the app as it shows you where to place the other Lumas for optimal performance. Now that they're set up, these powerful little Lumas will immediately start working together to create your outrageously fast, ultra-secure surround Wi-Fi network. That's wall-to-wall fast Wi-Fi. The Luma app makes controlling your network as easy as the internet makes everything else. And with built-in network security, plus a content control right in the app, you'll never have to worry about your network again. This is the future of Wi-Fi you were promised. Enjoy it. Everywhere.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.